can affect the atmosphere we live in? Well, I don't know. Perhaps light a fire in your bedroom. See what kills you first. Smoke inhalation or the heat from the fire? Or draw a bath. Yeah, draw a bath and then pour muriatic acid in it and see if that bothers your skin. Are you people cabbage plants? What are you, nuts? Of course man affects nature. Wake up. Yes, man can affect weather, the environment, the whole 9 yards. Even the pills people take. All the pills. The different pills. And they flush them down. Of course, they dispose of them through bodily waste into the toilets that get flushed down into a vast network of sewers that go into a vast pool of sewage, which then gets filtered as best we can, which isn't best at all, because it doesn't filter out all the pills that we're swallowing in the water. So the estrogen from the birth control pills is heavily laden in the water. All the antibiotics and all these crazy pills for cancer and for all the treatments, I can't name them all, but they're not getting filtered out. So we're drinking this, we're drinking it. The animals are drinking it. The fish are drinking it. This is a potpourri of menacing, I don't know what, an Andronema strain. Are you crazy? Of course, man has an effect on everything he touches. Everything. You squirrely-eyed, sports-driven, celebrity-driven lunatics better wake up!